In this video, we'll take a look at cash discount processing and what it means for merchants. If you're a small business owner or just starting out, this guide will help you understand the basics of cash discount processing. Cash discount processing is a type of payment processing that allows merchants to incentivize their customers to pay with cash instead of credit cards. This means that merchants can avoid paying the fees typically associated with credit card transactions. In a cash discount system, the merchant adds a fee to all transactions, but then offers a discount to customers who pay with cash. This fee offsets the cost of processing credit card payments. When a customer pays with cash, they receive a discount on their transaction. This is typically around 4%, which is the average amount that merchants pay in credit card processing fees. The discount is applied automatically at the point of sale, so the merchant doesn't have to worry about manually adjusting the price. The cash discount fee is added to all transactions, but customers who pay with cash have their discount applied, so they ultimately end up paying less than those who pay with credit cards. Cash discount processing has several advantages for merchants. First, it allows merchants to offset the cost of credit card processing fees, which can be a significant expense for small businesses. It also encourages customers to pay with cash, which is typically faster and more secure than credit card transactions. Finally, it can improve cash flow for merchants, since they receive the full amount of the sale at the point of purchase, instead of waiting for the payment to clear. While there are several advantages to cash discount processing, there are also a few disadvantages to consider. Some customers may be put off by the idea of paying a fee to use their credit card, even if they receive a discount for paying with cash. Additionally, merchants may need to adjust their pricing to account for the cash discount fee, which could be a challenge for some businesses. Cash discount processing is an alternative payment processing model that can save merchants money and improve cash flow. However, it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages carefully before making a decision. We hope this guide has helped you understand the basics of cash discount processing.